Good morning students, I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English grammar with me. So in the previous lecture, I had given you a detailed explanation of all the masculine and feminine nouns along with the detailed explanation of the neuter gender and the common genders. Okay, so I just hope that all the four types of genders are clear to you. Now today we are going to solve the exercise, and with this exercise the chapter masculine and feminine nouns is going to be more clear to you. Okay, so just please open your fancy book. Please open page number 31 of your fancy book. Okay, so there, question number A. I am reading the question for you. Write the gender of each of the following words. Okay, so remember we have four types of gender: the masculine gender, the feminine gender, the common gender and the neuter gender. Okay, so in this question what we have to do, we have to write the gender of the words given to us. Okay, all the words given to us are noun. जो भी वर्ड्स हमें दिए वो सारे नाउन्स हैं. अब बस हमें उनमें से बताना है कि ये कौन सा वाला जेंडर है, मस्कुलाइन है, फेमिनाइन है, कॉमन है या न्यूटर है. ठीक है, so I am writing the word for you as my drawing is not so good that I can draw all the pictures for you. So I am writing the word for you, chair, chair. Chair. The first picture that you can see on page number 31 is of a chair. Okay, so chair. Before moving further, we will figure out whether this word comes under the category of living things or non-living things. You study living and non-living things in EVS in detail, I know that, and you can easily tell me that this thing is a living thing or non-living thing. So chair is a non-living thing. अगर ये non-living thing है तो masculine और feminine होने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता है. Directly we will write that it is a neuter gender. It belongs to the category of neuter gender. Are you understanding the thing? So chair is a neuter gender. Okay, N-E-U-T-E-R, neuter. Okay, don't write the N in capital because this is not a proper noun. Okay, neuter gender. Then number 2, what picture is given to you? The picture of a computer is given to you and the word is also written there. Okay, so computer. Now first we will figure out whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing. क्योंकि अगर living thing है तभी हम masculine और feminine part पे जाएंगे. Otherwise, if it is a non-living thing, we will directly write what neuter gender for it. Okay, so computer, it is not a living thing, as you study this in EVS also. Computer is a non-living thing, and all the non-living things fall in the category of which type of gender? They fall in the category of neuter gender. Okay, so N-E-U-T-E-R. Just write there in the space given to you, neuter gender. Okay. Now I request you to turn the page. Page number 32. Okay. Now turn the page. Open page 32. Number 3. RAM, R-A-M, RAM. Okay, so I told you for sheep we use the word RAM. RAM means what? In Hindi we call it bhed. Okay, now RAM is a masculine gender, right? See, if you can see page number 31 in the common word list, it is given to you sheep, ram and eve. So RAM जो भेड़ होता है उसके लिए common word हम sheep use करते हैं, but जब हम उसके मस्कुलाइन और फेमिनाइन जेंडर की तरफ देखते हैं तो मस्कुलाइन जेंडर इज कॉल्ड एज रैम एंड फेमिनाइन जेंडर इज कॉल्ड एज ईव. सो हियर रैम इज रिटन. राम नहीं रीड करना है इसे, रैम. इट इज रीड एज रैम. ओके, सो रैम इट फॉल्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मस्कुलाइन जेंडर. ओके, सो राइट द स्पेलिंग M-A-S-C-U-L-I-N-E, masculine. Okay, then number 4 is cow. Okay, now first let us figure out it is a living thing or a non-living thing. Cow is a living thing. Okay, I guess there is no confusion in that. Cow is a living thing. Now in living there are two types of gender, right? masculine and feminine. So can you tell me which type of gender it is? It is a masculine gender or a feminine gender? Cow. Cow is a feminine gender because the masculine gender of it is bull. Okay. So cow is feminine. Write down feminine. F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E. Feminine. Okay. Then number 5. Number 5, umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. So umbrella, let's first figure out it is a living or a non-living thing. Umbrella, what is it? It is a non-living thing, right? So non-living things fall in the category of which type of gender? They fall in the category of neuter gender. Okay, so just write neuter gender there. N-E-U-T-E-R, neuter. Okay, so I don't have space, I'm writing it on the other side. Then number 6, cock. Cock, in Hindi we call it murga. Okay, so murga hai to it will fall in the category of masculine gender, right? So write there masculine. Okay, don't write NMF for it. I want you to write down the full spelling so that you can learn the spellings as well. Okay, don't show alsi over there. Don't be alsi. Write the full spelling. Okay, so cock is masculine gender. Masculine gender word, M-A-S-C-U-L-I-N-E, masculine. Okay. Then number 7. Number 7 is a tigress, sherni. Okay. T-I-G-R-E-S-S, tigress. Okay. See, I told you ना जब हम फेमिनाइन नाउन बना रहे थे मस्कुलाइन नाउन से, तब मैंने बताया था मस्कुलाइन नाउन में अगर हम ESS ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो फेमिनाइन हो जाता है. तो आप डायरेक्टली इधर से भी देख सकते हैं ESS इज एडेड इन दिस वर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इट एज फेमिनाइन नाउन. हम इसको डायरेक्टली फेमिनाइन नाउन लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. अदरवाइज द हिंदी वर्ड फॉर दिस इज शेरनी. ठीक है, तो शेरनी है तो ऑब्वियसली शी विल बी फेमिनाइन. ओके, सो राइट डाउन फेमिनाइन. F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E, feminine. Then number 8, pencil. Okay, pencil is a non-living thing. Okay, we cannot differentiate it between the male and the female gender. Okay, pencil is a non-living thing, so it will fall in the category of neuter gender. Okay, so write down neuter. N-E-U-T-E-R, neuter. Okay, then number 9, bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. And number 10, peacock. ठीक है, peacock, you know that in Hindi we call it मोर. Okay, मोर का फेमिनाइन जेंडर इन हिंदी क्या होता है? मोरनी. तो आप बता दो अभी मुझे कि ये फेमिनाइन है या मस्कुलाइन है. 9 and 10 are homework for you. You better send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, 9 and 10 are homework. I'm writing it here. Do it on your own and I know you will write it correct. Okay, so I'm giving you 1 minute time to write down all this. After that, we'll proceed towards the next question. Okay, so I guess this much time is enough for you to write, and if you have not done it, the mobile is in your hands, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the screen. Okay, so coming on to question number B, it is a very good question. Okay, it will teach you a lot of things. lecture, if you have done the homework of learning the nouns, this question will become much easier for you. Okay, so question number B, I'll read the question for you, don't worry. This pen is good. Yeah, so complete the following by using opposite gender. Just a moment. अभी now what you have to do in the question? आपको complete करना है वो word को opposite gender यूज करके. अभी opposite gender क्या चीज है? Opposite gender, ठीक है. जैसे अगर आपको masculine gender का कोई word दिया है, उसका opposite gender होगा feminine word. Okay, feminine gender वाला word. अगर if you have given a feminine gender word, what will be the opposite gender? The masculine gender of the same word. ठीक है, उसी word का जो masculine gender होगा वो होगा feminine gender का opposite. So that means by concluding this we can say masculine and feminine gender are both the opposite genders to each other. Okay, masculine और feminine gender एक दूसरे के opposite gender होते हैं. ठीक है, तो let's begin our question. First, actor and now here you have to fill it. Actor, अभी you can easily tell me actor कौन से जेंडर का वर्ड है? It is a masculine gender word. तो here what we have to write? Here we have to fill the blank with a feminine gender word. इधर हमको ये blank एक feminine gender word से fill करना है, right? So actor का feminine gender क्या होता है? What is the feminine gender of actor? Actress. If you remember, I had told you जब हम male gender से female gender बना रहे थे, words का जब हम conversion कर रहे थे, तब I told you कि in some words हम ESS जब ऐड कर देंगे तो वो फीमेल जेंडर बन जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हम वही करने वाले हैं. ACT RESS. ठीक है, ACT RESS, actress. This is the spelling of actress and actress is the feminine gender word of actor. ठीक है, सिमिलरली हम बाकी के भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे इसी तरह से. नंबर 2, boy and girl, GIRL, girl. Okay, this is masculine, this is feminine. Number 3, brother and what? Brother and mother? No, brother and sister. Okay, brother and sister. Then number 4 is cock. Cock means मुर्गा. Okay, cock and अभी मुर्गा का opposite is what? मुर्गी. मुर्गी means hen. Okay, so cock and hen. Then number 5, drake. Drake and अच्छा drake क्या होता है? What is drake? जो बतख होती है ना, जो पानी में तैरती है. ठीक है, the masculine gender for that बतख is drake. So female gender, feminine gender is what? Duck. Okay, duck. 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 Then number 7, emperor. 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 Okay. Emperor and empress. 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 Is it visible? If not, I'll rewrite for you. Number 7, EMPEROR, emperor. Then feminine is EMPRESS. Okay, empress. Then number 8, fox. Fox means lomdi. Fox and the feminine of it is vixen. VIXEN, vixen. ठीक है. ओके, ये एक मिसकंसेप्शन रहता है कि लोमड़ी फेमिनाइन है. दैट इज नॉट फेमिनाइन, इट इज अ मस्कुलाइन जेंडर वर्ड. इट्स फेमिनाइन जेंडर वर्ड इज विक्सन. ठीक है, तो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. And here on this note the question is over and I want you to write fast. Okay. So let's recall it one more time. Actor and actress, boy and girl, brother and sister, cock and hen, drake and duck. Okay, drake and duck. Emperor and empress, then fox and vixen. ठीक है? I hope all this is clear to you. Write it fast. Note it down fast in your book. Then we'll proceed towards the next question. Now for the next question you have to come on to the next page, that is page number 33. Page number 33. Okay. Okay, so question number 3. Rewrite the following sentences after changing the gender of the nouns and pronouns that are colored. बहुत बड़ा question है, but meaning उतना ही easy है. Rewrite the following sentences. What is the meaning of rewrite? Rewrite means फिर से लिखना. ठीक है, हमें ये sentence फिर से लिखना है, पर हमें उसमें change क्या करना है? Can you see the blue colored words given in the question? क्या आप देख सकते हैं blue colored words दिए हुए हमें? So what you have to do? We have to change the gender of the nouns. वो जो nouns हमें जो blue color में दिए हैं, हमें उनका gender change करके nouns और pronouns जो दिए हैं blue colored, उनका gender change करके हमें as it is लिखना है. ठीक है sentence? बहुत interesting question है, हम करेंगे तो मजा आएगा. Okay? So let's begin. Question number C. Sentence number 1. My aunt has 2 daughters. Okay. So I'll tell you the Hindi meaning of this sentence. My aunt has 2 daughters. मेरे जो aunt है उनकी 2 बेटियां हैं. ठीक है? Now what words are given in the blue color? This word aunt and this word daughters. Okay. So see how we have to do it. My word we will write as it is क्योंकि ये हमें blue color में नहीं दिया है. Okay. Now aunt. What is the opposite gender of the word aunt? The opposite gender is uncle. Okay, so write uncle in place of aunt. My uncle has as it is 2. Now daughter. Daughter. What is the opposite gender of daughter? बेटी का opposite gender क्या होता है हिंदी में? बेटा, right? बेटे को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Son. Okay, son वो सूरज वाला sun नहीं. Son means बेटा. S-O-N son. So in place of daughters we will write son. S-O-N son. And a full stop. Okay, don't forget to write the full stop. Don't forget the rules of writing a sentence. Full stop at the end is mandatory to write. Okay, to put. Then question number 2. He went to see his mother and sister. He went to see his mother and sister. Okay. If I translate the sentence in Hindi, what it will mean? He went to see his mother and sister. वो अपनी मम्मी और अपनी बहन को देखने के लिए गया था. Okay. So underline, sorry, the highlighted word is he. his mother and sister. ठीक है. Now if you have attended the previous lecture carefully, I had told you the opposite gender of he is she, right? So here in place of he we will write she. S capital, okay, don't make it small. S-H-E, she. On place of he we will write she. She went as it is to see. Now his will become her. Okay, the opposite gender of his is her. His हम मेल जेंडर के लिए यूज करते हैं, हर हम फीमेल जेंडर के लिए यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. Her mother, the opposite gender is father, and sister, the opposite gender is brother. ठीक है. and a full stop at the end. So अब क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. अब क्या हो गया है? She went to see. अब वो देखने गई. ओके, गई उसके फादर और ब्रदर को. ठीक है. Now question number 3. There were many monks in the church. Okay, now which word is highlighted here? The word monk. Okay, now just we have to write the opposite of monk and the sentence as it is. तो चर्च में बहुत सारे monks थे. There as it is, were as it is, many as it is. ठीक है ना. Opposite of monk is none. N-U-N, none. ओके, अभी monks है तो हमें none के साथ भी s लगाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ वर्ड many यूज हुआ है. many बहुत सारे को डिनोट करता है, राइट? सो देयर वर many nuns in the church. Okay. So just please write this fast and 2 more questions are remaining. We will do that. Please note this down fast. Should be done. You should have done 1 and 2. Okay. Number 4. This actress played the part of the princess. The highlighted words are princess and actress. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to change the gender of the highlighted words. The words given to you in the blue color. Okay, so this as it is, copy it down. This actress, what is the opposite gender? Actress is a feminine gender word. Opposite gender is a masculine gender word. The opposite of actress is actor. So actor, A-C-T-O-R, actor. This actor played the part of the. Now princess, Rajkumari. What will be the opposite gender? Rajkumar. Okay, so princess. The masculine gender is prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. Okay. So what does this sentence mean in Hindi? This actor played the part of the prince. इस एक्टर ने राजकुमार का पार्ट प्ले किया था. ओके. Then number 5. The hunter hunted a fox. The hunter. What is a hunter? शिकारी. Hunted. What is mean by hunted? शिकार करना. ठीक है. The hunter hunted a fox. What words are given to you in blue color? Fox word is given to you in blue color and the hunter word is given to you in blue color. Okay. So the as it is. The hunter. Hunter, the opposite gender is huntress. Okay. HUNTRESS. Hunted as it is a fox. Now just now I told you the opposite gender of fox is vixen. VIXEN. Okay. So the huntress hunted a vixen. ठीक है? Okay. So just please note it down fast. And the last question is remaining. We'll do it. I hope this question is clear to you. Simply we have to just convert, we have to just write the opposite gender of the blue color words. Okay, and this is very easy for us to do as we have studied the genders in much detail. Okay. And a simple thing I want you to do is please learn the genders. Okay, please learn the masculine genders as well as the feminine genders. If you can learn the common and the neutral genders, you can also do that. Neutral gender को तो I guess याद करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बहुत easy है. जो non-living things है, they come in the neutral gender. Common gender is something जो आपको learn करना पड़ेगा, है ना? This is new for you, so please learn. Okay, now I guess this is done. So I am rubbing it. Next question is very interesting and easy for you to do. Okay, so question number D. House is there. Okay. Here A, what we have to do, and B. Now I am reading the question for you. Form pairs. Partner A should write masculine and feminine nouns in the house. Partner B must write the opposite gender of the nouns. Then together you can write common gender in the house. Remember, nouns should be the ones which you generally find in a house. अब आपको आपके घर में जो masculine और feminine genders आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, आपको उनसे ये फिलअप करना है, ठीक है? So वैसे तो अगर आप स्कूल में होते, क्लास में होते, तो ये एक्टिविटी मैं आपसे क्लास में करवाती. But since you are not here and it is my duty now to do it for you, so please let's do it together. Okay, so A. In your house, you see this gender FATHER, father, ठीक है? Then opposite to it is written in the book, mother. Similarly, father is masculine, mother is feminine. Similarly, what we have, now what we have to do, घर में और जितने भी masculine और feminine genders आपको हैं, ठीक है? तो वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है, वो pairs हमें लिखना है. अभी वो pair कैसे होंगे? For example, brother and sister, ठीक है? Okay, then grandfather, grandmother, दादा दादी, ठीक है? Grandfather and grandmother. And how many you have to write like this? 1 and 2 I have done for you. अब आपको 3, 4 और 5 मतलब आपको 3 पेयर अपने मन से लिखने हैं, ठीक है? There are so many pairs available in your home. Okay, like uncle and aunt, like son and daughter, nephew, niece, husband, wife, and many more. please do it. Now number B, some common gender words. अब कॉमन जेंडर पे वो वाले लिखना है जो हम हमारे घर में देखते हैं. जैसे कॉमन जेंडर में पेरेंट, राइट? So your parents are there at your home. Now parent, it can be your mother or your sister or your father or both. Okay, so parent. We can write this word parent as a common gender found in your home. Then we can write the word children. ठीक है, बच्चे भी होते हैं ना घर में, राइट? सो नंबर सी, न्यूट्रल जेंडर. न्यूट्रल जेंडर तो बहुत सारे हैं घर में. क्या क्या है? चेयर, टेबल. वन आई एम डूइंग फॉर यू, द अदर यू विल डू. चेयर, टेबल, पेन, पेंसिल, प्लेट, स्पून, ग्लास, so many. Okay, so please write it here as your homework. This word is homework for you. This column is homework for you. Okay, so there are 3 homeworks from 3 question today, and that too you have to do it in the book. सिर्फ बुक में करने हैं. 3 क्वेश्चन में मैंने होमवर्क दिया है, आपको करना है और मुझे शेयर करना है. ठीक है? So on this note, the masculine and feminine noun chapter is over. We have understood it. इस चैप्टर में हमने बहुत सारे नए नए मस्कुलाइन, फेमिनाइन जेंडर और 2 नए टाइप के और जेंडर सीखे. वो कौन से हैं? न्यूट्रल जेंडर एंड कॉमन जेंडर. ठीक है? सो आई होप माई एक्सप्लेनेशन वॉज क्लियर टू यू. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड द चैप्टर. एंड ऑन दिस नोट आई एम ending the lecture. So take care of yourself, study hard. We will meet in the next lecture. Same time, same place, same channel. Till then, do your homework. Bye.